resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. For example, land, minerals, and air. There are two types of resources: natural resources, human resources. Natural resources. A natural resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. Some examples of natural resources are such as plants, forests, agricultural crops, animals, land and air, water, etc. Types of natural resources are biotic and abiotic resources. The resources which are obtained from the biosphere and half-life are called biotic resources. For example, animals and plants, including human beings. Abiotic resources. The resources which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources. For example, water, minerals, metals, wind, solar energy, etc. On the basis of development, there are two types of natural resources: potential resources and actual resources. Potential resources. The resources exist in an area that may be used in the future are called potential resources. For example, petroleum and etc. Actual resources. The resources surveyed, their quality and quantity determined and are being used today are called actual resources. For example, wood processing, etc. On the basis of renewability, there are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. A naturally occurring resource which replaced in a short period of time is called renewable resource. For example, wind power, water hydroelectric power, geothermal energy, wood, solar energy, etc. Non-renewable resources. A naturally occurring resource that cannot be replaced in a short period of time is called non-renewable resource. For example, natural gas, nuclear energy, oil, coal, rocks and minerals. On the basis of distribution, there are two types of natural resources: ubiquitous resources and localized resources. Ubiquitous resource. Resources which are found everywhere are called ubiquitous resources. For example, air, etc. Localized resource. Resource that are found in certain place is called localized resource. For example, copper and iron ore. Human-made resources. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Human resources are the people who add utility to the resource by adding value to it.